What's good? It's Aliya. This is a super easy tutorial for a messy hair bun. First off, go get your hair tie. Throw your hair in front of you like this and put it between both your hands. Now twist your hair like this while wrapping it around your head. In my opinion, this is the most important part just because it gives your hair some structure. Now all you have to do is tie it with your hair tie. Pull some strands out to get that messy effect. And that's it. Hope this video was helpful, and if you try it out, let me know in the comments. Alright, bye!